First, edit the SSH daemon configuration file with root privileges. Inside the file, look for the line that reads #port 22. It's commented out with a hash, which means SSH is falling back to its default. Remove the hash and change 22 to your desired port, for example, port 2222. Save the file and exit the editor. In Nano, that's Ctrl+O, then Ctrl+X. Make sure your firewall allows connections on the new port, for example with UFW. Do this before restarting SSH. If the firewall blocks the new port and you've already switched, you'll lock yourself out. Apply the changes by restarting the SSH daemon. Before you log out, make sure you know your server's IP address. You'll need it to get back in, and this is the moment to check, not after you've closed the session. Look for your public IPv4 under the main network interface. Now keep this session open a second terminal, and connect on the new port. If it works, you're safe to close the first session. If it doesn't, you still have a working connection to fix it. And that's it! You've successfully changed the default SSH port.